Kimadjnapayati Bhagavan. So, what he orders me to do? Then Sharngarava is replying, Yan mithas samayad imam madiyam duhitaram bhavan upayamasta tanmaya pritimata yuvayoha anujnatam. What he says now? By mutual agreement, mithaha means mutual agreement, your honor married this daughter of mine. That act of both of you was approved by me. For what? Kutaha, for what? There is a shloka now again. What is saying? Yat tvam arhatam pragrasaraha smritaha asi shakuntala cha murtimati cha satkriya tulya gunam vadhuvaram samanayan prajapatihi chirasya vachyam na gataha. What does it mean? See, so mutual agreement. See, you both of you have decided to marry each other, and you also agreed to marry my daughter. So for that, I am going to approve this marriage. Why? Because you are known to us as the foremost of the worthy, and Shakuntala is virtue incarnate. It is after a long time that the Creator bringing together a bride and a bridegroom of equal merit has not ensued. That's the reason I am going to accept both of your marriage. So, tadidanim apanna sattva pratigrihyatam sahadharma sharanaya. So, that's the reason. So, let her, who is now pregnant, apanna sattva is pregnant, okay? One who is pregnant now, let her be accepted for participation in religious observances. Yeah. Sahadharma charana means once a person marries, then the wife, she also will get half of the punya what her husband does. So, because she follows the footsteps of his husband. That's the reason. Sahadharma charana. So you need to take her now. That's what Sharngarava is telling. And he says this is the message of Kanva. Then Shakuntala, Atmagatam, inside her. Kinnu khalu Aryapitraha putraha bhanati. Bhanati is telling. What would Dushyanta tell? What he is going to say now? Now Raja, king is saying, Kimidam upanyastam. My God, what is this? What is this being proposed to me? What are they asking for? King is completely in wonder. Why? Because Durvasa's curse had worked. Now Shakuntala is saying in her mind, Pavakaha khalu vachanopanyasah. Pavakaha khalu vachanopanyasah. What is saying? Atma, inside her only, what does she say now? The words that he has uttered are like fire indeed. My God, it's like fire. What king said? Kimidam upanyastam. What is being proposed to me now? Like he is completely in a shock, king. He looked like he got shocked. Then Shakuntala, that's the reason she is thinking, what kind of words he is saying? It's like fire for me. Like that the king has replied. Then what happened? Before that the major words, Duhitaram, daughter. Okay. Upayamsta. Upayamsta means taking care, marry her. Anujnatam, understand. Sahadharma charanam, that's what, moving in the step of the husband. Bhanati, telling. Upanyastam, what had come, what has been proposed, or something which we are going to provide, that is upanyastam. Pavakaha, fire. Okay. Then next what happened? Sharngarava is saying, Kathamidam nama? You are asking how? How come you are asking like this? How is this possible? Bhavantaha eva sutaram lokavruttanta nishnataha. Yeah, you are the conversant with the ways of the word, because lokavruttanta nishnata means you will move to the places being a king. So you only know the things, what is good and what is wrong, bad and all. So you are asking us to do something. So the shloka, what is there in the shloka? Jnati kulaika samshrayam bhartramatim satim api janaha anyatha vishankate ataha swabandhubhihi pramada priya apriya va parinetuh samipe ishyate. What is saying, you know? He's saying people suspect a woman. ज्ञातिकुलैक संश्रयां भर्तृमतीं सतीमपि जनः अन्यथा विशङ्कते. People suspect a woman with her husband living to be otherwise even though chaste, when exclusively residing in her kinsman's family. Hence her relatives, what they do? Hence her relatives desire a young woman to be with her husband, whether she is loved by him or not. You understood this one? See, what's the point? People suspect a woman. That's the reason what they do, exclusively residing in her kinsman's family, in relatives' family. Hence her relatives, that's the reason the relatives, they desire a young woman to be with her husband always, whether she is loved by him or not. Priya apriya, loved by him or not, never mind, but she has to be with her husband, otherwise people will suspect a girl. That's what the sage, which sage said this? Sharngarava. Yeah, Sharngarava has said this. Now Raja, king, is saying, Kim cha atra bhavati maya parinita purva. Are you married? Parinita purva means, have you married? You got married with me earlier. Have married with me? He is asking. Now Shakuntala, Savishadam, very upset, and again Atmagatam, monologue. Hridaya Sampratam Te Ashanka. You know what he is saying? Oh, my heart, your misgivings have proved right. Yeah, you were trembling that moment. I told you to be firm, but what? Yes, what you have doubted, that's right. Who is saying? Shakuntala is saying. Now king, Raja, Kutaha ayam asat kalpana prashnaha. King is saying, oh, Kutayam asat kalpana prashna. What is this? It cannot happen. Asat kalpana means which cannot happen, imagining that thing. For example, if you tell flowers are there in the sky, flowers are growing in the sky, can it happen? No. Then rabbits will have only 3 legs. These kind of things cannot happen. That's what asat kalpana, which is not going to happen. That kind of things, imagination. So what kind of imagination is this which cannot happen? Then Gautami, the old lady, is saying, Jate muhurtam ma lajjasva. For a moment, please don't feel shy. Lajjasva, ma lajjasva, don't feel shy. Apaneshyami tavat te avaguntanam. I am going to just, what I am going to do? Apaneshyami. I am going to remove your avaguntana. I am going to remove your facial veil. Okay? Facial veil. Tataha, by that, Bharta Avijnasyati, by that the king, your husband, can remember you back. He can remember you back. Then Raja, Shakuntalam Nirvarnya Atmagatam. Then king will see Shakuntala, he observes her. Then Atmagatam, again inside him. What he says before that? We will finish the major words. Lokavrittanta nishnataha, which means one who is capable of taking the all good and bad things of this world. That's why after saying this Lokavrittanta nishnataha Rajana, after saying that word, he said that suspect a woman, that dialogue he said. Okay? Lajjasva means feeling shy. Parinita purva, married before. Apaneshyami, removing something. Asat kalpana, imagining something which cannot happen in the world. Avagunthana, the veil which is there for the face. Okay? Now Raja, Shakuntalam Nirvirya, Atmagatam, Nirvarnya, after seeing her, Atmagatam, inside him, what he is thinking now? After seeing her, Shloka, we'll go to Shloka directly once. Evam upanatam idam aklishta kantirupam prathama parigrihitam syat nava iti vyavasyan bhramaraha eva vibhate antastusharam kundam bhoktum naiva shaknomi hatum naiva shaknomi. What is that meaning? He says, after closely observed Shakuntala, himself he is saying, not deciding whether this beauty of, loveliness, okay, comes to me, was or was not before accepted by me in marriage, I am neither able to enjoy nor to abandon it. Like a bee at dawn on a kunda flower filled with dew. Okay, he explains, he compares himself and Shakuntala to a bee and a flower and a dew. Okay, so I cannot say no also because she is beautiful, but I cannot say yes because I haven't married this girl. If I haven't married a girl, even if she is so beautiful, I cannot accept a girl, right? How can I accept? That's what his thoughts. Iti vicharayan sthitaha. Like that he started thinking and he stopped. He didn't say any dialogue. Then Shangarava, Bho Rajan, kimiti joshamasyate. What is this? Why are you sitting silent? Joshamasyate means why you are silent. Okay, why are you sitting silent? Tell something. Then king, Boho tapodhanaha chintayan api nakhalu svikaranam atra bhavatyaha smarami tat katham imam abhivyakta sattva lakshanam pratyatmanam kshetrinam ashankamanaha pratipatsye. He is saying, oh hermits, so sages, you know what? Though trying to recall, even though I am trying to recollect about her, trying to recall, I am not able to really I am not able to remember having married with this lady. I cannot remember whether I have married or not. Having married this lady, I cannot remember having married this lady. How then shall I receive her? If myself only cannot remember whether I have married or not, then how shall I receive her? How shall I accept her? Who is bearing visible signs of pregnancy, and that is true, she is visible signs of pregnancy, she is a pregnant. Suspecting my relation towards her? In that case, even if you are going to think my relation with that lady to be that of a kshetrin, to be that of a husband, so you are suspecting my relation with that lady, I don't know. Then what she does? Yeah, chintayan api, thinking. Even if I am thinking, I cannot recollect her having married with that girl. And then katham imam abhivyakta sattva lakshanam. That is true. I can see now. She is a pregnant. I can see the signs of pregnancy. So how can I receive a girl, one who is pregnant, where I too cannot remember whether I have married this girl or not? Then Shakuntala apavarya. Shakuntala is going to remove, she has removed her facial veil, and then she is saying, Aryasya parinayaha eva sandehaha. My God. So, not about something else. You are having doubt whether we got married or not. There only you are having doubt, right? Kutaha idanim duradhirohinyasha. Why it is so? Where can now be my lofty aspiration? Like that. Sharadvata is saying, Shakuntale vaktavyam uktam asmabhihi. What and all we had to tell, we stopped. We have told, okay? What and all we had to tell, we have told. Vaktavyam uktam asmabhihi. Saha ayam atra bhavan evamaha. So what he said? Diyatam asmai pratyaya prativachanam. So you need to tell. So we have told, whatever we had to tell him, we told. Now you have to give a reply to him. You need to make him convinced. We don't know how to do, because you have loved him. You know what happened, how you got married, only both of you know. We are just messengers of Kanva. So you need to explain him where it happened, how it happened, all these things. Okay? The major points from this part is Joshamasyate, keeping quiet. Tapodhanaha, yeah, tapaha eva dhanaha. Dhanaha is what? Money. Tapasvinaha, they cannot have money, right? Tapas itself is their money. So tapodhanaha. Duradhirohinyasha means what? Duradhirohinyasha means I think I lost everything now. So you are having doubt in our marriage only. So now what? Now we cannot be having any aspiration. That is what Duradhirohinyasha. Vaktavyam uktam asmabhihi. What and all we had to tell, we told. Pratyaya prativachanam, you need to give a convince. You have to try convincing him. That is what pratyaya prativachanam. Next, what will happen? Shakuntala Apavarya. Again, she takes off her this one veil and she is saying, Imam avasthantaram gate tadrishe anurage kimva smaritena atma idanim shochaniyaha iti vyavasitam etat prakasham Aryaputra ityardhokte samshayitaha idanim naisha samudacharaha Paurava na yuktam namate tatha purashramapade swabhavothan hridayam imam janam samayapurvam pratarya idrishaihi aksharaihi pratyakyatum. What is she saying now? What good indeed will a reminder do when that sort of love has undergone such a change? Yeah, we have loved each other, but the love has undergone such a change that I have to remind him that I have loved him and he had married me. Love had undergone such a change. Then it is now settled that I have to deplore my fate. I have to talk about my fate now. My noble Aryaputra, yeah, my lord, she is saying, she continues, where marriage is doubted, that is not the proper form. Okay, that is not the proper form. And then, so Paurava is what? Puru's, the person one who is from that dynasty, so or a descendant of Puru in that way. It is indeed not becoming of you, having at first in that manner deceived this person. Naturally, you know what? Simple-minded, after a formal agreement in the hermitage, thus to disown her now. So, in the hermitage, we have done a formal agreement and we got married. Yes, Gandharva Vivaha we have done. Now you are going to disown that lady now. Is it so? My God, that's what she is saying. Now king is saying, Karno Pidhaya. He is going to close both of his ears and he is saying, Shantam Papam. Oh my God, what are you telling? Because he cannot remember anything, right? Then Shakuntala is saying, again, Bhavatu. Yeah, it's okay. Yadi Paramarthataha Para Parigraha Shankina Tvaya Evam Vaktum Pravrittam Tadabhijnanena Anena Tava Ashankam Apaneshyami. What is he saying, well, yes, it's okay. If you really think me to be another's wife, Yadi Paramarthataha Para Parigraha Shankina. What are you thinking? You are thinking that I am married with someone else and I am here to confuse you. In that way, if you are thinking, then I will take your doubts off by showing this ring, what you have given, the Abhijnana, the ring, Anguliyakam, Abhijnana Anguliyakam, what you have given it to me. I will show this and I am going to take off your all doubts. I think after seeing that ring, you might remember everything and you might accept me and you might say that I am not someone else's wife. That's what Shakuntala is saying. Then Raja, Udaraha Kalpaha. Yes, this is nice one. Yes, that's better. If I have given something to you, please show me. I can remember, I might remember in that way. Then Shakuntala, she was saying king's face and Mudra Sthanam Paramrishya. See, generally where we will wear the ring, or the ring finger, she checks. Ha dhik anguliyaka shunya me angulihi. This is the headline of the lesson. Anguliyaka shunya me angulihi. Oh my God, what is this? I don't have the ring. My finger has no ring on it. My finger has no ring on it. My finger is no ring on it. Iti savishadam Gautamim avekshate. After seeing that, very depressed Shakuntala sees Gautami's face. So major point from this lesson, Samudacharaha, good culture, Paramarthataha, the true thing, Apaneshyami, removing something, Avekshate, observing, Vishadaha, depressed. So she sees Gautami in a depressed mindset. Then what happens? After this, what happens?